Good afternoon, Chris and Stephanie. I wanted to provide you with an update on your project today. Today's Saturday, and as you're well aware, we had a significant rainstorm blow through this afternoon, which caused us to have to stop working for the day because all the Tyvek is wet, and we'll be back on the job first thing Monday. But we did make quite a bit of progress late yesterday and this morning, and as you can see here, we got the straight edge shingle up here in the gable, which really looks great, as well as this band board across, which separates these two textures on the home, the lap from the shingle. So that looks super. So Monday we'll be finishing up this side and getting the fascia board all completed, and then we'll be working over to the front side of your home, and we'll start putting siding on the front side, and that way we'll have everything all set so we can start the stone hopefully mid next week and get that moving along as well. So we're making some progress. Weather looks really favorable for Monday, so all things being equal, we're going to get the front side of the house done on Monday and then start moving towards the outside of the house on the east and work our way around to the back side and get all the siding done for you. So I hope you're enjoying and liking the progress of your project. I think this looks really great over here. I love that focal point up in the gable. It looks awesome. Can't wait to see the colors that you've selected for painting, and look forward to talking to you about those as well. So hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll look forward to talking to you at the first of the week. Talk to you later. Bye now.